Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing amazing as always. And in today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you my H&M haul. And if you're curious, let's get started. So I got this order just for the capsule wardrobe. So I've decided to create some capsule wardrobe with some items that I found on H&M, and that's what I'm gonna be showing you today. But I think I'm gonna film a separate video for the capsule wardrobe, so it's not as long for this video. So but this video we're gonna just keep it as H&M haul. And I apologize for the audio. Maybe it's not that loud because Peter, my baby, he's taking a nap, and I got the chance to film this video. Some of you guys know maybe by my Instagram, so I got baby Peter, so he's sleeping now. Hopefully he's gonna stay asleep for like maybe at least 30 minutes, and then I'll be able to film this video. So let's get started. The first thing that I see in this box is this beautiful, very beautiful sweater dress, and it's still pretty I mean, it's hot in California, but it's mild weather in some other places, so hopefully it's still, let me know in the comments below if it's cold in your place or if it's hot already. That's be so interesting to know. This is a sweater dress, and it's medium length. It's in this beautiful sand color, so it will be very easy to throw on with anything pretty much, because it's very versatile piece. And it has the turtleneck, the full length sleeves, and it's so soft and nice and cozy. It has like two little slits from the both sides. Yeah, so that's its knitted dress. Very basic, very casual, and pretty much everything that I'll be showing you today will be pretty basic, so it's all items that you can mix and match. Oh, by the way, here is the sweater. It's also from this order from this H&M. I decided just to throw it on in the, you guys can see it. It's in this very beautiful shade. It's like a pastel light blue color, and it has like 3 buttons right here in the middle. It's going all the way down. It has the V neckline. V neckline is very good if you want to lengthen your silhouette. It's a perfect piece to mix with other things that I got from this order. Hopefully it's a perfect piece, and it's very warm, by the way. Let's move on to the next one. So the next piece that I got is to complement pretty much every single outfit in this capsule wardrobe that I'm gonna be showing you in a separate video. Yeah, let me know, by the way, if you want to see that video in the comments below as well. And I got this beautiful bag in the beige color. It has a silver strap just because I prefer silver jewelry, but I also have like gold color jewelry as well. I thought they have another one. I'll link it down below as well, that I think will be perfect for every single outfit that I got in this order, but they did not have it yet in stock. So the next piece that I got is these pants. They are also knitted, very soft, and it should be supposed to be super warm and very comfy. Oh, by the way, they are maternity pants, so if you are also pregnant, search H&M maternity section. They have pretty nice pieces, but this one is a good, I mean, there is no difference in between the maternity or not maternity, so this one is in small size, and I don't see any difference. It's just this part where you have a belly, the bump, so it will be not as tight as your normal maybe pants or leggings, and they're very long, and also they have loose silhouette, so those will go pretty much with everything. But the only thing that I'm kind of worried about, that I'm concerned, is the shade of these pants. They are a little bit on more of like like a little different shade that I got everything else, but we'll see if it works or not for the capsule wardrobe. Let's move to the next one. So the next piece from this H&M haul is this beautiful, very beautiful skirt in the sequins. It's all sequined all over, like from the top to the bottom. It's in the midi length. You can tell the silhouette is very basic, and it goes pretty much with everything. You can wear it with a sweater, t-shirt, with a blouse, with a shirt, anything, turtleneck top, like sweaters, yeah, everything. The next piece from this order is this satin dress. I think it's maxi. Is it maxi? I got it in extra small size. It's maxi dress. I got it because I really love the print, so I thought it's very like subtle, and then it goes pretty much also with anything. It's like a beigey ivory color with a black print, which is the mountains and also some sort of grass and the birds and everything else. Also, of course, I could not leave H&M without pair of boots. So I got these pair of boots in this sand or beige color. I'm not sure what was the color of these boots, but I got them in 8 size, which is Euro 39. Boots will go also pretty much with everything, with this skirt, with the dress, with the leggings, with the pants that I got. So, but I wasn't sure which ones to get for the capsule wardrobe, and I've decided to go with 2 colors. The second pair that I got is this white. They're more on the creamy side. They're not like completely white, but they are, you can tell it because I'm wearing the white here, and they're not as white. They have a little like yellowish undertone, which is good. I love that. And they are exactly the same thing. They're just in the different colors, so it's perfect. It's very basic sort of boots right now that you can wear, and they'll go good with everything. I'm just looking if I got them in the same size or different size. Yeah, I got them also US size 8 and Euro size 39. So these are 2 pair of boots. We'll see which. And that was it, you guys. If you like it, let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. I will be happy to every single one of you guys. Also, don't forget to check out my Instagram as well. It's Masha Beauty 1. I'm doing some reels in there, which is still like fun, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.